is 8:26 a.m. and we're getting into a little MCLs. We're taking some micros here, 10 micros. I love micros because I like to scale in and out. And we just had a B setup flash up here. Boom. Now we're back to an A+ setup here on the Ultimate Trading Assistant, the Maverick Radar. Oh yeah, sell signal. Look at this sucker. Oh my God, this is beautiful. All right. So why are we in this trade? Let's talk about it. We got an A+ setup to the downside on the Ultimate Trading Assistant. Imagine having a trading assistant on your chart going through our entire checklist of everything we're looking for a beautiful setup, and it's going to tell you you don't have a setup, or it's going to tell you you got a B setup, a B grade, or you have an A+ setup, which right now you're looking at it, A+ setup to the downside. Bears are in control, red background. Price is below this blue line. We love to go long when price is above the blue line and short when price is below it. And we got hot pink candles here, folks. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Pink is your strongest downside data candle. Bright green is your strongest upside data candle, but hot pink is your strongest downside data candle. The Maverick AI Pro colors your candles to the data, not to price and direction. If you're just using red and green candles, I couldn't trade that way. I need to know what's going on underneath the hood. So got this beautiful sell signal here. All 5 traders, T1 through T5, they're algorithms, but think of them as traders. They're all voting bearish across 6 time frames. You can change these time frames to whatever you want, but instead of having 6 charts on your laptop pushed on, trying to read them all, why not have the Maverick Multi-X? 5 traders, all with a completely different style, voting every single tick if they're bearish or bullish across 6 time frames. Powerful stuff. You're seeing this red support area here. This is the Maverick zones. It's going to be coming out this month. And what it does is it auto draws your support and resistance zones, and it will give you a score of how likely it is to hold. Anything under an 80% is free game. You have a high chance of breaking it. Okay, so we're at a 24% chance of this level supporting as of right now, as of the data right now. So we're sitting in this thing. We have clear vision. We have an A+ setup to the downside on the Ultimate Trading Assistant, the Maverick Radar. How many times have you gotten into a trade, you get stopped out, later on you go back and you look at the trade and you say, what was I thinking? Like, what was I even seeing there? Let the Maverick Radar be your eyes. Let it double check everything you think you're seeing. And if it doesn't say you have a setup, don't click the mouse. That would be, that's how I live. That's the rule that we live by here. If you don't have a setup, like, we're not clicking the mouse. We're not touching it. We only get into B setups and A+ setups. And right now we have an A+ setup to the downside. Okay. And this sucker wants to come down. Okay, this is what clear vision looks like. Red background, hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Beautiful sell signal. Guys, we're in micros and we're up over 300 bucks. Micros. We're making $1 per tick per contract. Okay, on a funded account here. And we got an A+ setup, okay? So you're getting the turn of the 5-minute candle. You guys know the first minute and the last minute of a 5-minute bar, I do nothing. I sit on my hands, okay? And that's why you're getting this change of, you're at 52%, this zone likely to hold. But I mean, anything under 80% is fair game. Anything under 80%. All right, so listen, if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want edge in the market, if you want the Ultimate Trading Assistant telling you when you even have a setup, let it double check your eyes. If you want to know what's going on underneath the hood, with the buying and the selling data, and have your candles, if you see bright green, it might just fly right off your screen. If you see hot pink, it most likely will sink. This is edge to me. This is clear vision. Okay. These are truly my favorite indicators, and the indicators I wish I had from day one. Would have saved me a lot of frustration, a lot of heartache. It would have saved me. I do believe that. So listen, come check us out. If you want edge in the market, if you want clear vision on your charts, not financial advice, do your own research, never any guarantees in this market, but man, oh man, I say it all the time, we're having fun with these indicators. See how it's retracing back up? I don't care. I got hot pink candles. It's coming all the way back up. Trader after trader after trader. We were up, what, $400? Trader after trader after trader are just jumping ship right now because this is a big old green candle right here. I got hot pink candles. I know there's rich downside data. So I'm hanging in this thing. I'm hanging in this thing because we have rich downside data and I just need that data to catch up with the candle. Okay, and then this thing will push down, most likely, right? We're stacking probability in our favor. So listen, if you want to stack probability in your favor, come check us out, okay? Free to look. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.